Good morning, everyone. Today we will cook a street food of Asia, Singapore style laksa. It's a noodle originated from Singapore. So all you have to do is to boil this egg noodle, and then we have cooking oil here. We have water, coconut cream, and we have smoked meat, boiled egg, and onion leeks for garnish. So all we have to do is to boil this for a few minutes and then drain it with cold water. Then we need to put some oil on the pot. Some oil in the pot. Some oil. And put this mixture, laksa mixture. Just for 30 seconds. And we need to add 1 cup of water. One cup of water, and then coconut cream. Mix well with the high heat. Is a cup of coconut milk. Just boil it for 2 minutes and then